Struggling to find the perfect drawing tablet? With so many options and features, it can be overwhelming to choose the best one. We've done the hard work for you, testing numerous models to narrow it down to the top 5 best drawing tablets. In this video, we'll dive into their key features and help you understand what to look for when choosing the right tablet for your needs. Whether you're an artist, designer, or hobbyist, stick around to find the very best options on the market. Also, you can check the pricing for any of these products in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 5. Simbans PicassoTab X. The Simbans PicassoTab X stands out as a budget-friendly yet versatile drawing tablet, designed to cater to creative individuals who prioritize affordability without compromising on functionality. At the core of its appeal is the inclusion of a stylus, making it an ideal tool for digital artists, animators, and note-takers looking to explore their creativity. Boasting a 10-inch IPS HD screen, the PicassoTab delivers clear visuals suitable for detailed artwork and multimedia consumption. Powered by a MediaTek quad-core processor, it handles multitasking smoothly, supported by 4 GB of RAM, and a spacious 64 GB storage capacity. This setup enables users to download and use a wide range of applications from the Play Store, enhancing its versatility beyond just drawing. Connectivity options are comprehensive, featuring Wi-Fi for seamless internet access, a micro HDMI port for connecting to external displays, and a USB Type-C port for versatile connectivity needs. These features make the PicassoTab suitable for a variety of activities, from streaming movies to playing games and browsing the internet. In summary, the Simbans PicassoTab X excels as an affordable yet capable Android drawing tablet, equipped with essential features and accessories to support creative endeavors and everyday multimedia needs. Its combination of functionality, affordability, and user-friendly design makes it a compelling choice for both novice and experienced digital artists alike. Number 4. GAOMON PD1161. The GAOMON PD1161 is tailored for artists seeking a reliable drawing tablet that enhances their digital creative process. Featuring an 11.6 Full HD IPS screen, this tablet allows artists to directly sketch, draw, and paint with precision. The integrated matte film ensures a paper-like texture while minimizing glare and reflections, optimizing comfort during extended use. With a wide 72% NTSC, 100% sRGB color gamut, and 16.7 million display colors, the PD1161 delivers vibrant hues and smooth color transitions, bringing artwork to life with realistic detail. The battery-free stylus AP50 supports 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and includes a 60-degree tilt function, providing artists with precise control and a natural drawing experience akin to using traditional tools. Designed to streamline workflow, the tablet features 8 programmable press keys and 2 customizable pen buttons that offer convenient shortcuts for frequent tasks. It's important to note that this tab operates as an auxiliary device and requires connection to a computer running Windows 7 or later, or macOS 10.12 or later. Beyond drawing, this tab excels in image editing, design work, note-taking, and collaborative tasks. It is compatible with a broad range of creative software such as Krita, Medibang, Blender, Photoshop, and Sai, as well as platforms for online education and remote work like OneNote, Microsoft Whiteboard, and Zoom. Compact with dimensions of 14.2 by 7.9 by 0.1 inches and weighing just 1.9 pounds, the drawing tablet is highly portable, making it ideal for on-the-go creativity without compromising performance. In summary, the GAOMON PD1161 offers an excellent balance of advanced features, ergonomic design, and broad compatibility, making it a valuable tool for both aspiring artists and professionals seeking a versatile drawing tablet. Number 3. HUION KAMVAS 13. The HUION KAMVAS 13 is an excellent choice for artists seeking a high-quality drawing tablet at an affordable price. Its full lamination technology seamlessly combines the screen and glass, minimizing parallax and providing precise cursor positioning. The 13.3-inch 1920 by 1080 HD display offers 120% sRGB gamut, 16.7 million colors, and a 178-degree viewing angle, ensuring vibrant colors and detailed visuals. The anti-glare film reduces reflections, enhancing the drawing experience. The KAMVAS 13 features the advanced HUION PenTech 3.0 technology. The PW517 pen, with its capacitive pressure sensor, delivers ultra-responsive performance with minimal lag. The pen's short nibs and improved firmness reduce offset, providing a realistic pen-on-paper feel. With 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, 60-degree tilt support, and a 266 pps report rate, the PW5117 offers precise and natural pen performance. Connectivity is simple and versatile with 2 Type-C ports. The upper port supports a 3-in-1 Type-C to HDMI connection, while the lower port supports a full-featured Type-C to Type-C connection. The tablet can be powered directly by a laptop via USB, eliminating the need for an external power supply and making it highly portable. The tablet includes 8 programmable hotkeys for customizing shortcuts and 2 customizable switches on the stylus for additional convenience. It supports a wide range of creative software, including Illustrator, Photoshop, Painter, SAI, Krita, and Metabang, optimizing your workflow and enhancing productivity. In summary, the HUION KAMVAS 13 is a versatile and efficient drawing tablet with advanced features, high color accuracy, and a user-friendly design, making it an excellent choice for digital artists and designers. Number 2. XP Pen Artist 13.3 Pro. The XP Pen Artist 13.3 Pro is a standout drawing tablet designed to elevate your digital art experience. Boasting 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, it delivers precise and responsive pen performance. The 13.3-inch fully laminated FHD display ensures a seamless and distraction-free drawing surface, virtually eliminating parallax for a more natural feel. This tablet features a tilt function supporting up to 60 degrees, allowing artists to add shading effortlessly and enjoy smoother transitions between lines and strokes. With a high color gamut covering 88% NTSC, the display provides rich colors, vivid images, and dazzling details, all with a wide 178-degree viewing angle. Designed to enhance your workflow, the tablet includes a sleek red dial interface and 8 customizable shortcut keys, making it easier to capture and express your ideas quickly. Its compatibility spans multiple operating systems, including Windows, Mac, Android, Linux, and Chrome OS, and it supports popular software like Photoshop, Illustrator, SAI, and Blender 3D. The tablet measures 15.37 by 9.84 by 0.51 inches and weighs 4 pounds, making it both portable and robust. Additionally, registering your device on the XP Pen website gives you access to valuable software like ArtRage 5, OpenCanvas, and Cartoon Animator 4 Pipeline. With its advanced features, high color accuracy, and artist-friendly design, the Tab is an excellent choice for digital artists and designers seeking a reliable and versatile drawing tablet. In summary, the XP Pen Artist 13.3 Pro is a powerful and versatile drawing tablet that meets the needs of digital artists, designers, and educators. Its advanced features, including high pressure sensitivity, tilt function, and high color gamut, ensure a precise and natural drawing experience. Number 1. Wacom Cintiq Pro 16. The Wacom Cintiq Pro 16 excels as a drawing tablet, delivering a natural and advanced pen performance with 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and virtually lag-free tracking. This tablet's 16-inch LCD display features a breathtaking 4K resolution, 3840 by 2160 pixels, and 98% Adobe RGB color accuracy, ensuring your artwork is vibrant and true to life. Designed with artists in mind, the Cintiq Pro 16 includes multi-touch gestures, on-screen controls, 2 pen side switches, and 8 express keys on the rear edge of the display for easy customizable shortcuts. The etched glass screen reduces glare and reflections, providing a tactile experience that mimics drawing on paper. Connecting via USB and HDMI, this tablet is compatible with Mac OS X, 10.14 Mojave, Windows 8.1, and Windows 7. Making it versatile for various operating systems. It features a 15.6-inch standing screen, a 16.9 aspect ratio, and a brightness level of 300 candela per square meter. Despite its robust capabilities, it remains lightweight at 4.2 pounds and measures 0.9 by 16.1 by 0.1 inches. Moreover, registering your Cintiq Pro 16 grants customers in the America's 90-day trials to Toon Boom Harmony and Storyboard Pro, Shapper 3D, Capture One, and May SV, adding even more value to this exceptional drawing tablet. With its superior pen technology, high-resolution display, and artist-friendly features, the tablet is an outstanding choice for digital artists and designers looking for a reliable and immersive drawing experience. The Wacom Cintiq Pro 16 stands out as an exceptional drawing tablet, delivering superior pen performance with 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and virtually lag-free tracking. Its 16-inch LCD display boasting 4K resolution and 98% Adobe RGB color accuracy ensures vibrant and true-to-life artwork. In conclusion, selecting the right drawing tablet can be daunting given the multitude of options available today. We've meticulously reviewed and compared the top 5 drawing tablets of 2024, each offering unique features tailored to artists, designers, and hobbyists. Whether you prioritize affordability, advanced pen sensitivity, or high-resolution displays, our list covers tablets like the Simbans PicassoTab, GAOMON PD1161, HUION KAMVAS 13, XP Pen, Artist 13 Pro, and the top-rated Wacom Cintiq Pro 16. Each device excels in its own right, catering to different needs from portability to professional-grade performance.